Hello, my friend. Welcome. The practice that I'm sharing with you today is designed to help release tension in your body really quickly. So this is a practice that I have used for myself whenever I am, feeling some tension building up in my chest. So I will like to hop on the mat and to help release that as quickly as possible, as mindfully as possible. We will do this through your breath and through the movement of your body. All right, my friends, we will begin today's practice in a comfortable cross-legged seated position, sitting up nice and tall. Line your head over your heart over your pelvis. We'll just take these first moments here on the mat to connect with our breath. We will connect with a pranayama practice to help set the intention for our practice and releasing the tension from our body through our breath. So let's breathe in through your nose, and you want your breath to be slow and steady, deep breaths. You may even wish to breathe on a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause at the top and a slow exhalation out. Now the exhalation out, I want you to play around with breathing out your nose or breathing out the mouth. And if you breathe out the mouth, try doing an audible exhale out the mouth. Okay, so let's take a few breaths on our own, 3 to 5 rounds. Exploring if the exhalation out the mouth versus breath out the nose feels best in releasing tension from your body. Allow the body to soften with the exhales. And with your inhales, send the breath down. Sometimes if we send the breath up into our chest, that can help feed into any anxious anxiety feelings. So just have the intention of sending the breath down into the body. Once you have found the style of breath that works best for you, take 2 more breaths. With the eyes closed, go ahead and make your way to hands and knees for tabletop. Knees underneath your hip points, wrists underneath your shoulders, connecting with that same breath. Slow, steady, deep breath in as you lower the belly, lift the heart. Exhalation, round out the spine, hollowing out. Exhale out the nose or out the mouth. One more, breathe in. Exhalation out, round out the spine, all the air out, press it out. Let's tuck the toes and lift the hips, releasing the body back into downward facing dog. In your downward facing dog, I do invite you to take those audible exhales out the mouth. Just visualize that you are releasing any tension, any worries, any to-dos, any stressors out your body through your breath. Maybe find some gentle releasing movement with your neck on the exhale. One more. Find stillness. Ground down to the mound of your left toes. Breathe in to extend your right toes up to the sky. Bend the top knee, stack the hips. Then on the exhale, step that right foot through near your right thumb. Soften the back knee to the mat. Ensure your front knee is in line with your ankle, not going past. And when you're ready, you can bring your palms to your thighs to press up or inhale your arms up to the sky. On the exhalation, really settle your body into the pose. Let's breathe in. On the exhalation, circle your arms down to frame the front foot. Tuck the back toes, press up. Let's breathe in and breathe out. Ground the left palm, breathe in. And on the exhalation, extend the right fingertips up to the sky, exhaling at the navel. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. On the exhale, we're going to cactus our arms up. Coming into high lunge. Settle your body into your high lunge. Hips are square, shoulders are square. Reaching back through your back heel. Breathe in. Exhalation out, release. Now let's interlace your palms. We're going to take a side body stretch on both sides. Breathe in. Exhale, side body stretch over to the right side. Breathe into center. Exhale, side body stretch to the left side. Breathe into center. Release the arms. Exhalation, cactusing your arms down. Step your front foot back into plank pose. And take your flow, my friend. Breathe in. Exhalation, shift forward, lower yourself halfway. Inhalation, upward facing dog. Using the muscles of your pelvic floor, lift your hips up, downward facing dog. Breathe in. Exhale, audible sigh out the mouth. Slow, steady, deep breath in, send the breath down. Exhale, audible sigh out. On your next inhale, extend your left toes high to the sky. Bend the top knees, stack the hips. Exhalation, step that foot through. Soften the back knee to the mat. Ensure that front knee is in line with the ankle, not going past. Then when you're ready, on the inhale, reach your fingertips up to the sky or press yourself up. Whatever you need out of this time here, listen to the intuition of your body. Let's breathe and lift the heart. Exhalation, feel the body release into the pose. Breathe in. Exhalation, cactus your arms down, lowering hands to frame the front foot. Tuck the back toe, press up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Ground the palm, breathing in. Exhalation, exhale at the navel. Extend the left fingertips up to the sky for that twist. Breathe in. Exhalation. On the inhale, cartwheel the arms up. Exhale, settle the body into the pose. Shoulders square, hips square. That back heel's pressing back. Now let's interlace your palms again, this time in a way that feels uncomfortable, so the opposite direction as the first side. Breathe in. Exhale, side body stretch over to the left. Breathe into center. Side body stretch over to the right. Breathe into center. Release the arms. Exhalation, lower the arms down. To frame the front foot, step your back foot to meet the front for forward fold. Release forward. Take your feet as wide as the mat. Arms can dangle or clasp opposite elbows, whatever you'd like. Slight bend in the knees.
Feel grounded through all four corners of your feet. Find a release here. And let the head be heavy. And return to those soothing, steady, deep breaths in through your nose. Audible exhalations out the mouth, actively releasing, letting go. Visualize that tension releasing from your body through your breath. Invite any intuitive movement as you're doing this. Last one. Bend into your knees, slowly roll up, breathe and circle your fingertips up to the sky. Exhalation, cactus the arms down, lift your heart, really draw those elbows back. Breathe and circle them right back up. Palms kiss, reach back and dive it down through center, forward fold. Let's heel toe your feet in, all the way into kiss. And then lift your heels up, release your seat to your heels. This is just a transition here. And then release your seat to the mat. Wrap your arms around your legs and just round out your spine over your legs. Taking a moment to look into yourself. Feel the effects of your practice. Notice the stillness of this moment. Slowly roll up. Find a comfortable cross-leg seated position. Sitting up nice and tall. Letting your hands relax wherever feels comfortable. And tune into your body. Notice how you're feeling now compared to when we first stepped on the mat together. Let's close our practice, taking those audible exhales out the mouth, those deeply soothing breaths in through the nose, remembering to send the breath down as opposed to letting it rise up into your chest. Let's begin. Slow, steady breath in. Exhalation out, whether it's out the nose or out the mouth. Breathe in. Exhalation out. Breathe in. Exhalation, release. Beautiful. Let's breathe in. Circle your fingertips up to the sky, gathering love and light. Palms kiss to bring all that love and light down to your heart center. Let's bring one palm to the heart and then the other. Feeling as though those palms upon your heart are a hug. A self-loving hug. Feel that love and light swirling around within you, coating every part of you. Let's bring the palms to kiss. Set an intention for the rest of your day. Sending love and light to you and all beings. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me. If this helped relieve some of that stress, that tension from your body, please let me know in the comments below. The intent was not to, have it all be released from your body, but just to soften it so it feels a little bit more manageable, a little bit more balanced. Have a beautiful rest of your day, my friend. Please throw the video some love with a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. That is just one free and easy way to help support our work and making yoga free and accessible to all.
All right, my friends, you have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye-bye.